But this person volunteered their time for the organization. They spent many, many hours actively pursuing our presence on social media, our engagement, just our clicks throughout social media, and you can see by kind of our engagement on Facebook that was really important to us. If you ask this person if he's really passionate about it, about the IWCA, you know it in his face, because he gets really excited about sharing ideas and pushing the organization forward. So it's my honor to recognize the person that's winning the Ettore Award this year as Scott Ehrenkranz.
Out of everyone in this room, me? Sure you got the right guy? Yep. Thank you guys, I appreciate this. It means a lot, and I'm not much for words, so did it all for the association and for everyone in here.